Anywhere that has ever effectively colonized the world is probably going to cost an arm and a leg for many people around the world, considering the luxurious treatment provided to the tourists in these certain cities. Here are the 10 most expensive travel destinations in the world. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from us. Number 1. Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo has the largest metropolitan economy in the world and mixes a futuristic cityscape, scores of nightlife, and business districts. Depending on the neighborhood, a 4-star hotel will cost around $300 per night. However, a night in the top suite at Tokyo's oldest and most famous luxury hotel, the Imperial Hotel, will set you back $10,500. A set lunch or dinner for two at the world-famous Aragawa can cost up to $1,023. The cultural side of Tokyo is famous for its numerous things to do and top attractions, including museums and festivals, alongside internationally noted cuisine and professional sports clubs that include traditional Japanese pursuits like sumo wrestling. Such activities in Tokyo typically cost an average of $77 per person per day. Number 2. Cancun, Mexico. Cancun is remarkably more costly than the rest of Mexico because of its white sand beaches, a coastline studded with world-class luxury resorts, and tons of ancient tourist attractions. When dining out, an average meal in Cancun should cost around $144 per person, while entertainment and activities typically cost an average of $471 per person per day. Number 3. New York City. The NYC tourism industry thrives on its reputation and generates many tourist dollars as a result. They justify higher rates due to demand and limited space, but a lot of the hotels are just plain overpriced, with rates starting at $730 a night for a luxury hotel and the average price for a mid-range hotel being $350. NYC is home to a $1,000 sundae and a steak that will cost you the same as your hotel. Entertainment and activities in New York City typically cost an average of $77 per person per day. This includes fees paid for admission tickets to museums and attractions, day tours, and other sightseeing expenses. Number 4. Paris, France. With its reputation as the city of romance, Paris scores a high number of tourists annually with charming attractions such as the quaint café culture, the French love of pastries, wine, and chocolate, and the iconic Eiffel Tower lit up at night. Some historical residences, including palaces, have been converted to hotels. One hotel charges around $26,000 for the privilege of staying just one night with them. L'Astrance, one of the world's best restaurants that boasts 3 Michelin stars, offers the ultimate fine dining experience in Paris at €95 for lunch and €250 for the dinner menu. L'Astrance is actually one of the most affordable restaurants in Paris. Number 5. Fiji. Many of the smaller islands in the nation are actually privately owned, either by individuals or by resort companies, and most of them charge hefty amounts for a visit. Snorkeling, diving, and hiking through the island rainforest, along with an outdoor jacuzzi and the lava rock shower, affordable with rates starting at just over $600 a night. Top-of-the-line modern buildings or 2-bedroom homes in a central location cost $4,000 to $7,000 per month. Number 6. Tuscany, Italy. Tuscany's appeal is its history, which stretches back to pre-Roman times. Many of the hotels aren't hotels at all, but ancient villas that have been converted into lavish suites for rich tourists. Some of the buildings are just old barns that have been converted, and they still cost around $3,000 or $4,000 a week. The cost of living in Tuscany is $1,411, which is 1.11 times more expensive than the average in Italy. The average cost of food in Tuscany is €30 per day. Number 7. Bora Bora. The island's beauty offers a luxurious experience, and an average night on the island will run you a minimum of $800 with your meals included. The average price of a 7-day trip to Bora Bora is about $3,184 for a solo traveler. The St. Regis Bora Bora Resort offers a cost of $113 per night for the lovely Reefside Garden Villa to $568 per night for the sensational Overwater Royal Otomanu Villa. Dinner main courses can cost between $30 and $70 depending on your choice, while for entertainment, sailing, snorkeling, and a floating bar experience that lasts 4 hours can cost about $230. Number 8. Dubai, UAE. With plenty of luxury properties, including the self-proclaimed 7-star Burj Al Arab Jumeirah Hotel and quite a few affordable options. But a stay at a hotel can be an average of $150 a night, but if you must, you can drop $20,000 to spend a night at Dubai's best hotel. 3 meals a day can cost about $60 in total. Other common attractions include a sightseeing tour of Dubai, an excursion jeep safari to the desert, and tickets to the aqua parks can cost between $50 to $65. A helicopter flight over Dubai itself costs $200. Number 9. Musha Cay, Bahamas. Musha Cay, also known as the Out Islands of the Bahamas, have long been known as a destination for the rich and famous and can be booked by anyone for a whopping $57,000 a night. With a slew of amenities, including an outdoor theater, a private speedboat, and beachside daybeds, Musha Cay accommodates those seeking both relaxation and adventure for a hefty price. The island also requires an 11% tax and administration and a $45,000 security deposit. Number 10. Oslo, Norway. Norway is notoriously known as Scandinavia's and Northern Europe's most expensive country. Norway's capital is scenic and delightful, filled with Scandinavian charm and still reminiscent of the Norwegians' Viking history. Its service sectors and tourist industries charge about 20% more than anywhere else in Western Europe and a whopping 70% higher than world averages. The average cost of living in Oslo is $2,337, with a one-bedroom apartment costing about $1,350 per month, with dinner in a fine restaurant requiring at least $85. Going out in Oslo for entertainment is not a cheap affair, as cinema and theater tickets are also costly, with 2 tickets costing $30. This list would certainly make one want to save up and try going on vacation to the selected countries and cities for a fulfilling and unforgettable luxurious taste of the developed world. Which one of these holiday destinations would you travel to? Make sure to let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.